Hi all, here we are gathered together to discuss about our project by the name York. York means your own restaurant kit. I'm Sushil Kalra, my colleague Mr. Sachin Bhogal and one of the students by the name Jatin is also involved into this particular project. So I'll give you a brief idea about what's the innovation and why we had decided to go for this particular project. As in the hospitality management, we have 4 core departments. Out of that, one is food and beverage service. In the practicals, we tell the student to bring few of the tools along with them, and every time they have to come for the practical. So these tools, as it lying over here, so you can see that this is the wine opener, pen, comb, waiter's cloth, scribbling pad, and lighter. So these all things, what we do initially is we show to the students that you have to bring this. So now the problem is the students are coming from different places. The students are coming from Ambala, from Patiala, from Rajpura, from Chandigarh, from Mohali, and they are approaching the different vendors. So now once they come up with all these particular tools, so they have different kind of tools available. So that is again creates a problem. So what we decided is we decided to make a kit kind of thing which will hold all this item together in one. So now what we will do with the student is we will provide them the kit as they join us in the first semester. We will provide the kit, we'll make the kit and we will provide it to the students so that the uniformity is maintained. So now next Mr. Sachin Bhogal will tell about it.
Hello everyone. So I'll just tell you regarding this kit. So basically what we are trying to do it, because earlier student has to arrange all the things from the different places. So we are trying to arrange all the things in a one kit at one place so that students should not have to suffer a lot just because of for the arrangement of all these items. Okay, even though not for the students, but we have already trying to collaborate with the hotels also, so that they can also use the same kit, because the same essentials are being required for the industry personnel also. Okay, so this is our first prototype, even though we have made the second one also, and we have given the final prototype also to our vendors, which we are expecting to be with us very soon. Okay, but till the time we will tell you about our first prototype. Okay, so this prototype looks like this only. So there are different compartments, if you can see. There are different compartments which are being designed to keep all the things inside the kit. Okay, so for example, now if I'll take the scribbling pad, we can put the scribbling pad in one compartment. It looks like this. Then this is the lighter. We can put the lighter in the another compartment along with the wine opener. Alright. Then in the third compartment we can use sanitizer. Okay, which we can put in the another compartment. And in the fourth compartment we can simultaneously put the comb and the pen, right? And then in the last compartment the waiter cloths or serviettes we can put in the last compartment. Alright, so this will look more compact and more uniform, so that everybody should have the same essentials with each and every student. Alright, and then this will be covered with the lid, okay, which is not attached till now, but the final prototype which we have given has the attached lid, so which can be easily cover this entire kit. Okay, and then finally the students can attach with their belts. So whenever they are doing the service or whenever they are doing the practical, so it's very easy for them, or it's very accessible for them to get the things out, and then they can use for their use. Alright, so this is more about our practical. Regarding the achievements, we have already filed the patent regarding this kit, and which is almost in the last stage of the approval, and we are trying to collaborate with the different hotels also, so if they can also assess this kit from us.
And we had also granted near about 20,000 from New Gen IDC department to make this prototype. So we are almost on the urge of the finishing up and coming out with the final product, and it will be launched very soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.